Our customers are all over the place. Transportation, warehousing, food and bev, construction, and the products we build go on all sorts of equipment.
Unlike with more traditional consumer electronics, the world of physical operations comes with some tough conditions. Our asset gateways in particular are often installed in locations that are outdoors in harsh environments. Severe weather, chemical exposure, water, and high vibration, just to name a few.
The AGs are devices that you can stick on anything.
We have tremendous desire and demand for these products.
Customers have a couple of very simple use cases that they want it for.
Where's my stuff? Does it need maintenance? Is it being operated safely? And so they go on trailers, tractors, dumpsters, yellow iron. They go indoors, outdoors, in and out of good cell coverage.
If you add that all up, you have a lot of really interesting technical challenges, both on the hardware side and on the full stack side. For the AG51, these are entirely new devices built to address technical challenges with battery life, water ingress, much more performant with the space that they have.
We spent over 1,000 working hours on battery sizing, power modeling, testing, and other development to really push the boundaries of battery life. As a result, battery life in the field will be at least twice as good as our last unpowered gateway. This work carried over to the AG52 as well. We were able to make the backup battery 5 times smaller than the AG26, resulting in a smaller and more reliable gateway.
We performed operational reliability testing. We performed days of extreme vibration testing, thermal testing between -40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We tested waterproofing on over 100 units. We did impact testing, freeze-thaw testing. These devices worked across everything we threw at them.
We completely rewrote the firmware for AG5X. Every new feature and bug fix was tested, not only during the design process, but also on a continuous basis. To that end, we put test hooks on every new feature and bug fix that we make.
On the full stack side, we are experts in time series data. We come in at the end to actually take the device, hook it up to the back end, and then we take all of the data that's being ingested and make it usable to customers. Most customers want to know if something with that data changes. Did this device move? Did the temperature go above a threshold? So we're constantly taking in that data, and then a lot of what our team does is help build features on top of that time series data to alert on something, to report on something, and to basically let the customer know that something with their piece of equipment has changed in a way that's interesting to them so they can take a look at it.
At Samsara, you really do get to have impact on these enterprises that run the world, and that's awesome. Not only that, colleagues you have here are just their next level. That's hardware, sales engineering, operations, supply chain, full stack software engineering. It's a team sport, and we have the best team.